Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're doing another healthy recipe. It's going to be called the chocolate bananas. Now I'm going to show you the ingredients that you need. First, you need the honey. Then you need the bananas. Then you need the cacao powder. Then you need any nut you want. I use walnuts. And then you use chocolate or chocolate drops. I prefer chocolate. And then last, almond butter. Now you need to slice the banana in half. Make sure it's from this side up. And make sure you're using a knife only with adult supervision, once again. Once you're done cutting them, you need to sprinkle them with honey. I use buckwheat honey, but you can use whatever honey you want. Mom helped me to chop my walnuts for me. And now we need to sprinkle them. I'm almost done. Now you need to shred the chocolate because you can't afford big pieces on it. When you're done shredding your chocolate, you can carefully sprinkle it on the bananas. Get your almond butter and sprinkle it on the bananas. Now sprinkle the cacao like this. We're ready to cook them. So you will need a toaster oven or a regular oven, it doesn't really matter. Then you put it on roast and for 10 minutes. Let's do it. Was good, but I think next time it should be without the almond butter. And also, if you want more healthy recipes, don't forget to like and subscribe. See ya later, alligators.